In this video, I will show you the easiest way to change the hair color. So, why is waiting? Let's get to the video. So, first step is get a solid color adjustment layer and choose your favorite color or whatever you else. Then change the blend mode to color. So after that, press shortcut key Ctrl plus I to invert the layer. Then go to the brush tool and you make sure the foreground color is white. Then don't get color outside and you brush the hair smoothly. Look at the picture. The black color hair is changing to the blue. So beautiful, no? Okay, but don't forget to like this amazing tutorial and save this video for share your friends. Okay, let's turn back to video. So after that process, get a photo filter adjustment layer and choose the color and adjust opacity, the color of your hair. So guys, that's it. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching my video and I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and peace.